ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be one of them shorts. Not about any repair. It's about repair information, as in particularly labor times. I just want to make a quick video and kind of talk about it for just a second and tell you that I get asked a lot, well, how much does it cost? Well, that is a loaded question. The cost on a repair depends on location, overhead, the shop's labor rate. There is too many factors to really answer a question on YouTube as to how much a repair is going to cost. And really, you're going to have a hard time to get any shop to tell you what they charged to do a certain job. That's really something where you need to contact me directly. If you want me to give you that information, I'm easy to find. Shoot me a text or give me a call. You know, anything but the question on the channel, or on the video I should say, in the comment box, you know, how much does it cost? Guys, I don't want to disclose that. It's not that I'm charging too much or anything, or worried about charging too much. That has nothing to do with it. It's not right to do that. As from one shop to another, it's not right for us to say, oh, I charge this one. Oh my God, the other shop, they try to charge me this and this. Yeah, no, we're not going to do that. So I just want to make a quick video, get that out there. You know, if you have that question, contact me directly. You know, I can only tell you what I would charge for that job. I don't set other people's prices, and nor do I want to undercut anybody. Okay? So, good. We'll see you on the next one.